Well, good morning, everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing today? So, if you are like most of the United States right now, you might be experiencing a little bit of winter weather. I know I am. So, I am utilizing this time to have my own personal quilting marathon. So, this is a quilt that I have been working on. Whoops. And I figured I'm going to work on it. So instead of the original 9 blocks, it's going to be 12 blocks now. And I got the rest of them cut out. Whoa, come on. Nope. My machine's been acting up. I might have to go in and have it serviced. I really don't want to, but hey. So I'm wondering, are you having your own personal marathon? I know I'd ask in the Cultures of Oklahoma group if there were ladies doing it, and there were, I don't know, about 400 ladies that said that they were. So I know I am not alone. So this is an 18-inch block that I'm working on, and since it is so large, I only like to do one of them at a time. So since I'm making it a 12 block quilt now instead of a 9 block quilt, I have got 6 completed. This will be 7, so I've got a little bit of work to do, you know? But it's going to be fun. Let's see. This is my year of trying to use up a lot of my stash. And this bowling fabric has been in my stash for about 15 years. And I have to look at my that one. And this way. So if you are having your own personal quilting marathon during this bad weather and you make a video, make sure I know so I can come watch it, because I'm going to start watching some quilting videos as I'm finishing up this quilt top. And I love to listen to other quilters talk while they're quilting and sewing. Makes it like that virtual quilting bee, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, I will let that be it for this one right now. Might be back later. Talk to you then. Bye. Well, I figured since you saw me sew most of the quilt block, I went ahead. Whoops. I have got to get my machine in. You can at least watch me struggle to try to finish this block. Age, I tell you. Either that or my machine needs to really be cleaned, which is probably the case. I've been suffering with this for a while. Sorry, I'm picking that out. Get my trash can so I can just wipe it on out. Well, let's start this way. And now my quilt block is actually finished. It's big. It's 18 finished, I think. Yeah. So it's a big one. It's a monkey wrench, and that's gonna be it. See you later.